In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix D3DX9_39.dll missing error. First, you can go to Google. And here, I'm going to type the name of the missing DLL folder. Then click download. Go to the first web page. So you'll see two versions, 32 and 64-bit. So if you're using a 64-bit operating system, download both folders. If you're using 32-bit operating system, download only this. So I'll download both. So label the folders. Extract them. Go to this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32. Go inside 64-bit and then drag this folder here. Click replace. Go back. Go to syswow64. Go inside the 32-bit. Then here, just drag this folder here. Then click replace. So if you're using a 32-bit computer, all you have to do is drag this folder inside system 32, and that should be it. That should be it. So try this step and see if it fixes the issue. You might have to restart your computer. If you're still experiencing issues, then go to Google and then type DirectX end user download. Go to this web page and download the web installer. Run the installer. After you finish running the installer, you can restart the PC and this should fix the error.